All right, guys, I wanted to show off the third row. Let me take the USB out. Let's put it in the floorboard. Fold the armrest up. So here's how your middle row looks. You can push this button right here. It's gonna bunny hop up. So if you had a child seat in the seat, it actually maintains that position. It just kind of pushes the seat forward. And you can see how the third rows are down right now. Let me pull them up. So I'm gonna pull both of them up at the same time. You have to push. So now you have the third row. And then the headrest will be pulled up manually. Let me show you that. So you just manually pull the headrest up. Right there. If you want to put the seats down, I can do it from back here as well. Just like that. All right, I think I could fold those seats down too. Let me try. So I'm gonna close this back down. See how the seat slides back. And I'm gonna try to fold these seats down too, so let me do that from the rear. All right, let's check out the middle row together. So you can see it's got the sunshades on it. I'm gonna highlight both of those and then roll this down. It'll actually lower the sunshades. So if you do have child seats in these seats right here, you can push this button right here. This is it's called the bunny hop. So it actually maintains that angle. And that's how you're gonna get people in the back seat. Gonna step up in, get two more people in the rear. And I'm gonna fold these down as well. I wanna show you how that looks. So hold on one second, I'll jump to the back. The release is underneath the R now. The headrests are up. You can manually push this button and fold them down, but I think I can do it right here just by pushing these buttons forward. So pushing forward makes the seats go forward, just like that. I'm gonna do the right-hand side. I'm gonna push this one forward. That one forward, sorry, the other side. Fold that seat just like this. And I'm gonna return this seat back to its position. Right there. Just push the button one time. Oh. Push and hold. And then it's gonna actually slide back. If I wanna fold this one down, you need to go over here. You push that one forward too. So it's helpful that they have left and right indicated, so you know which one you're going to pull up or push down, and then left and right over here as well. So if I wanted to pull the left one up, I'm just going to pull that one, just push it. And if I want, I can push this one too. So those are going to raise, just like that. And you can manually pull the headrest up. These ones, I'm just gonna pull the left one. That's gonna raise. While that's raising, I'll pull the right one. That one's gonna raise. And it's important, guys, that you don't have these all the way up. If you're gonna fold these down, see how that's up? This is gonna butt right into the TV screens. So you wanna make sure that this is down. That's gonna really, really help you. You can save you some extra steps. All right, guys, thanks for watching. All right, so I'm gonna fold the back ones down, so just push. I hit them both at the same time. The front seats will move away, making room for the seat to fold down. And then I'm gonna return all the stuff that was back here, back to the vehicle. All right, the first thing I'm gonna put back in is the rubber mat. It's gonna go right in here. So let's do that real quick, hold on. All right, so I put the rubber mat back in. As you can see, get the air vents back here, seat belts, all that. Next thing I'm gonna put in is the little cargo cover that fits in the little hole here and here. And I'll show that to you next, hold on. All right, so this is the cargo cover to hide your purchases. I'm gonna go ahead and install that now. Let's check that out. All right, so it's spring loaded, so you just kind of push one side in. You do want to stow away the seat belts. They slide right into these little grooves there and over here. That gets them out of the way. See that? And then you can grab the cover, slide it out, hook it into the little slots right there. That's all the way. Or if you want, you can hook it into the slot right there where it just leaves a little bit open so you can get more vertical storage right there. I went ahead and put the rubber mats and the little storage box in there as well. So these don't have to be carried around all the time. We already have the carpet mats installed in the car. But lots of space back here, guys, when you don't have the third row up. But if you need to carry some extra people, you can fold those up. Close it down. All right, there she is. All right, guys, that's a wrap on the long wheelbase 7-passenger. Thank you so much for watching. I took a lot of static photos, so I'm gonna roll those out next. Please take a moment to subscribe and like my channel. It really helps me. You are on the lot with Stephen Hill.